Hi guys, how are you? Recently, I finished to modify my Dax. I spent many hours to modify it and a lot of money, but it's enough modify? Investigating for a private groups, I realized it does exist a funnel tube for the induction. A Thai company called KSPR produce funnel tubes printed in 3D. So for less than 80 euros, shipping included, I bought this funnel tube in black color for my Dax. The presentation is quite good. It does instructions and stickers and the funnel tube in two pieces. This tube is smooth for inside and rough for outside, but I don't care. It looks very original. It comes in two pieces for an easy installation and also two nuts for tight it. Honestly, I'm glad for this purchase, so let's go to install it. The first step to do is remove the filter cover and then the panel filter. Now we can appreciate the original funnel tube. With the screwdriver we push the two clamps. Now we can remove the battery cover. It's very important to release the fuel tubes. Also, we lose the screw of the accelerator body. We have to be careful to remove the air mass sensor. Battery off. And now we can remove the two hidden nuts. Isn't this a step when we have to be a lot of patience to remove the air filter box? And here we have our next victim. With the help with a screwdriver and a blade, we make pressure for remove the funnel tube. For this time, it wasn't for free. With the vernier caliper, we can appreciate the 12 millimeters of difference between the two funnel tubes. It's a huge difference. Here we got side by side the two funnel tubes. Oh my god, what a difference. If you thought you could be plug and play, you was wrong. Taking care and make some measurements, we open the hole with the Dremel. We have to pressure the funnel till the end. Now we will fit the other part of the funnel. Now we put everything back. Don't forget to tight the two parts of the funnel. And now the job is done. So let's go to check if does exist any leak. Now comes the funny part, the test drive. My first impression is we get more acceleration at lower RPMs and on the middles, but at the high RPM, it's the same. Is it worth it? For less than €80, of course.